Hi everyone, I'm Moni. Welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'll show you my 4 favorite back exercises so you can get some inspiration. It might seem a bit strange that I pose in every video, but I mainly do it to track my progress. I think I mentioned back in January that I stopped taking birth control in November and lost a lot of weight and muscle because of it. But by filming myself consistently, I've noticed that since January, I've made solid progress and regained my muscles. Honestly, if I didn't record myself, I probably wouldn't even notice this progress. So this is just a reminder for you. Don't be afraid to film yourself. Here we are in the gym. If I seem a bit tired today, it's because I spent all day at a festival yesterday. It's not that I was drinking, but you walk a lot of kilometers and it just drains your energy, so I'm a bit worn out today. But that's no excuse. Let's get to the workout. Fresh water is a must. Let's do this. First, let's warm up. I never filmed the treadmill because it would be a pointless shot. I think we all know how to walk on a treadmill, but that's always how I start, followed by a warm-up set. Today, that warm-up set felt like a full working set. But oh well. A festival is only once a year, so we'll manage. I added 5 kilograms on each side. Not gonna lie, today was really tough. Then I added 2.5 kilograms on each side. If your gym has these small plates, I highly recommend using them. It might not seem like much, but it makes a difference. And now the last set. Moving on to the second exercise, Lat Pull-Downs. Such a great back exercise. You just set up the bench and go for it. Be careful not to shrug your shoulders. That's a super common mistake I often see people make. Alright, second and final set.
I would wait a lifetime. In tricky situations, I will be a lifeline. Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before, no. Keep coming back for you time after time. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but I know I'll never leave you behind, no. Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the hoops, yeah, baby, I got you.
As always, a quick reminder, don't forget to stay hydrated at the gym. It might sound silly, but I always like to mention it.
No matter the distance, no matter the hoops.
Next up, our second to last back exercise, seated cable rows. I usually prefer doing these unilaterally, but the machine I like was taken, so I went for the classic version instead. In this variation, a wide grip is always the better choice. I just grabbed the first wide grip bar I saw, something like this. Not what you're seeing here.
There's something about you, baby, that makes me feel complete. Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before, no. Coming back for you time after time. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but I know I'll never leave you behind, no. Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the hoops, yeah, baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the hoops, yeah, baby, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got, baby, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you.
The last exercise is the butterfly machine. I'm sure you already know this one if you've been watching my videos for a while. If you watch my videos regularly, you might have noticed that this machine has been moved. It took me about 5 minutes to find it, but never mind.
It's kind of crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh.
Here you can see another side effect of stopping birth control, breakouts on the upper part of my back. I never had this before, but now I do. But I take good care of myself and it feels like it's getting a bit better, so we'll see how it looks in another month. There are quite a few side effects, and it's crazy what a woman's body goes through. It just takes time and care. I believe it will get better. Anyway, that was a big tangent. Here's the last set.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. 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 Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love. Just say the word and we can.
And we're done. No one was in the posing room this time, so I took the chance to jump in for a moment.
As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way.
Here we are in the locker room, in case anyone didn't recognize it.
It's so old, it's so old. No, I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and it makes me so happy to see that my videos motivate you and help you on your journey. That, in turn, motivates me to keep creating for you. I'd love to hear what kind of videos you'd like to see next, and I'll try to fulfill as many requests as possible. I'd appreciate a like, a subscription, and any comments to support the algorithm. Looking forward to seeing you next time.